Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So y'all, we are in a different location tonight. Normally we're reporting live from the store, but I have been trying to not be in the store so much. So we are reporting live from my garage because before I went to bed tonight, I wanted to give you guys just a few ideas for what you could do for the 5 off of 25 tomorrow at Dollar General. We'll do a couple all digital scenarios. Really just about everything is going to be all digital. We're going to keep it really simple and low out of pocket like we always do. So we're going to pull some items from my little setup here, from my little stockpile. Probably not little, but we're going to pull some items from up out of here, and I'm going to show you, just give you some ideas of what you could do for your 5 off of 25. All right, you guys, so this is our first little all digital situation. Super easy and simple. If you're wondering what's over there, that's just the other side of my stockpile, so don't worry about that. But if you haven't seen my full stockpile tour, I will have it linked up above and below so you can check that out. But this deal right here is going to be super easy, all digital and low out of pocket. So the first item that you want to grab is actually the Oral-B indicator toothbrush. I have a whitening toothbrush here because that's what it was in my stockpile, but definitely grab the $2 Oral-B indicator toothbrush and scan it with your Dollar General app to make sure that you have the right one. So that is $2. We have a $2 digital coupon, making it absolutely free. Then we're going to get one of the Suave body washes. Those are $2. We have a $1 digital coupon, which will make that $1. Then we're going to grab one of the Olay 2-count bar soaps. Those are $2.50. We're going to use our $1.50 off digital coupon. That is going to make that $1. Then we're going to grab one of the Swiffer Duster starter kits. You can also get the wet jet refills, the wet mopping cloths. Those are $4.50 as well. We're going to use that $2 off digital coupon. And then we're going to get 2 Gain products. For the Gain fabric softener, you could also get the 105 count sheets, or you could get the fireworks. I just have the liquid here, but get what you prefer. We have a $2 digital coupon, and those are $3.95. The liquid laundry detergent, you could also get the Gain Flings if you prefer. It is also $3.95, and we have a $2 digital coupon. Then you want to grab 2 Febreze products. I have the car fresheners here, but you could also get the Febreze wax melts. So these are $3 a piece, and we have a $3 off of 2 digital coupon. So your total for all of those items minus the BioFreeze is going to be $24.90. So because we are going to be 10 cents short of $25, I threw in the BioFreeze as a filler item to throw me over $25. But if you don't have the digital for the BioFreeze, there are a couple other options that you can do. You can grab one of the free ice cream products like the push-up bar and use that $1 digital for the ice cream. That would be a great filler. Or you can get the Dentalife dog treats that are $1. We have a $1 digital coupon, another great filler. So just grab what you prefer. I have the BioFreeze here that is $1.75, and we have a $2 digital coupon, which makes that free plus a little bit of overage. So after the BioFreeze, my total is going to be $26.65. After all of my digitals come off, plus my 5 off of 25, y'all, the total for this is just going to be $6.15. Yes, $6.15 for all of these items, which is an amazing deal. All you have to do is enter your phone number in at the register and check out. So let's go on to deal number 2, which is going to be an all digital Gain deal. All right, you guys, so this is our all digital Gain deal. Now, to do this deal successfully using all digital coupons, you will need to have a $2 coupon for the Gain Flings. That is no longer available, but if you downloaded it last week and you still have that coupon, this should work out perfectly for you. I am going to put up an image on the screen of the 3 Gain coupons that you will need to make this thing happen. If you still have that Gain coupon, coupon, you will be all good to do this deal all digital. So this is what we're going to get. We're going to get one of the Gain liquid laundry detergents, again $3.95. Use your $2 digital coupon. It's going to be important that you actually have the Gain liquid scanned first before the Gain flings. The reason being is because we have those two digital coupons that will both work for the Gain flings. If you attach if you scan the Gain flings first, that digital coupon that you want to attach to the liquid will attach to the flings. So scan the liquid first so that your coupons will work properly. So we're going to scan our liquid first, $3.95, $2 digital. We have one of the Gain fireworks. Again, you can also get the sheets or the liquid $2 digital coupon. It's $3.95 as well. And then the Gain flings, $3.95. We're going to use that other $2 digital coupon. We have two of the Mr. Clean Gain scented products. Those are going to be $3 a piece, and we are going to use that dollar off of two digital coupon. I have two Febreze car clips here. Again, it is important that you make sure that yours are Gain scented versus the ones that I have here. I just don't have any Gain scented ones in my stockpile, but make sure you get the Gain scented car clips or the Gain scented wax melts. Those are $3 a piece, and we are going to use that 3 off of 2 digital coupon. And then I have a Swiffer duster starter kit. Those are $4.50. We're going to use that $2 off digital coupon, and make sure you grab one that is Gain scented. And then we have the Gain dish liquid. That's $2. We're going to use our 50-cent digital as well. So our total for all of these items is going to be $30.35. We are going to make sure that we have our 5 off of 25 loaded plus our 5 off of 30 Gain coupon. After all of those digital coupons are applied, y'all, this deal comes out to just $7.85 for all of these items, just $7.85. Check below in the Google document for a written breakdown. All right, you guys, so this is the last Gain deal that I want to show you guys. I actually did this deal a couple times last weekend, and I loved it because it is a very good way that you can stock up on some Febreze plugs, which we know can be pretty pricey. So if you want to stock up on the Febreze plugs, this is an alternative that you can do as far as your Gain scenario, and it's all digital with the exception of one coupon. So you will need one paper coupon on this deal, and that is for one of the bottles of Gain liquid detergent. But everything else can be all digital if you have those Gain digital coupons that we just reviewed. So once again, in this deal, you want to make sure that you scan the liquid first, do the Gain flings last to make sure that all of your digitals attach properly. We're going to use the same digital coupons that we just used in the previous scenario. For the Febreze plugs, we're going to use that $3 off of 2 digital coupon on these. So the total for all of these items comes up to $30.30. We're going to use that 5 off of 30 Gain. We're going to use the 5 off of 25. All of our Gain digital coupons plus the one paper coupon from the P&G. So you only need one paper coupon. You want to make sure that the cashier scans everything. Go on ahead and enter in your phone number. Let all of your digital coupons come off, and then hand over that one paper coupon for your last Gain product. Y'all, this comes out to $7.30 for this deal. Considering that the Febreze plugs are $10 alone, I thought that was a really good deal, and shout out to my girl on Instagram who came up with this scenario. I absolutely loved this last weekend. So that is all, you guys. Just wanted to give you a few ideas because y'all know I do not do a good job of getting up early on the weekends. I be tired from working, so sometimes I sleep in, and I wanted to make sure that you guys had some ideas to work with for tomorrow. So I hope those quick scenarios were helpful, especially if you plan on getting your Gain on tomorrow and getting Gain wasted. As always, I thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to hit the thumbs up button if this video was helpful, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.